How to log in Capitec Bank online banking account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Capitec Bank account online. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your any web browser. Here at the top search bar, type in Capitec Sign In. Then you will see online banking transaction at the first search result. Tap open that link. Just like so, you will get leaded to its official website. Now to get logged into your account, you can either tap on online banking login, if not, just tap on sign in on the top. Here choose if it's personal banking or business banking. Then tap on personal online banking option. Now zoom into your screen and just like so, under here type in your username or your account number. Now at the section below, you can see some security basics. Read all these and tap on to continue. At the next page, you will be required to enter your PIN or passcode to get logged into your Capitec account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.